Hi there, I just wanted to talk about this new Martin OM-28 which I've just purchased from Guitar Village over in mainland England. Picked this thing up for just under £3,000 and installed an LR Bags Anthem in here as well because it didn't have an onboard pickup. So yeah, it's a really versatile guitar, great for strumming, good for fingerstyle as well, which I wouldn't do particularly, but I found it a really good all-round guitar which I use weekly in church, playing a wedding band as well, and sometimes play it plugged in, mostly play it plugged in to be honest, and sometimes play a little bit unplugged as well. So there's good projection acoustically, but also with the LR Bags it sounds great through a system as well. So less talking and I'll just give a few demonstrations of how it sounds with a bit of fingerstyle and strummed as well. So. Just also want to show you what it sounds like just with the Capo on. Even on a high Capo like 5 or 7, projection's also still pretty good. So just going to show you Capo's on 5. Just going to show you strum chords and some pick chords as well. So. So as you can hear, it might be coming through the camera too well, but still sounds great. Even on a higher Capo like 5. And picked sounds kind of like this. So there you have it. It's the Martin OM-28 Reimagined, new for 2018, and bought for myself just a few months ago from Guitar Village over in England. So yeah, it's a great guitar. It's a smaller bodied Martin guitar. nice fit under your arm. Going from an Avalon Jumbo, so it's a lot more comfortable under your arm and easy to play. Good strummer, good picker, and yeah, good all-rounder. So have a look, and if you're interested, pick one up, and I hope this video was helpful. So thanks.